Blowouts, spills, meltdowns, you can't plan for them, but you can pack for them. Here's what every diaper bag needs. Starting with the reason why it's called a diaper bag, diapers and wipes are the most important things inside. A good rule is to pack 1 diaper for every 2 hours you're out, plus an extra or 2. And wipes are lifesavers for everything from diaper changes to sticky hands. Opt for a travel pack if you want to be lighter. Next, make changes as easy as possible. A foldable changing pad keeps things clean, diaper cream helps prevent irritation, and disposable bags make stashing dirty clothes or diapers simple. Always pack a full outfit for baby, and consider a spare shirt for yourself too. You'll be glad you did. If you're bottle feeding, bring prepped bottles. If you're nursing, pack a burp cloth, nipple cream, and nursing pads. A pacifier, teether, or soft toy can be a lifesaver when you're out and baby needs soothing. A muslin swaddle blanket is an all-around item that can be used as a blanket, cover-up, burp cloth, or even play mat. And don't forget your stuff: wallet, keys, phone, water bottle, and hand sanitizer all deserve a spot.